I still believe it, guys, that this bull market could absolutely be epic for crypto.com's CRO token. And I know there's a lot of people that are in disbelief, don't believe it. The performance on the coin has not been what you wanted it to be. I get it. I hear you loud and clear. But right now, facts are facts, guys. The memes on Cronos, relatively speaking, are holding up pretty darn well right now. In fact, Mystery Mary token's pumping. Crow with Knife's holding strong. Cronos coin, just a steady coin right now. Probably going to hit $1 at some point in this bull market. I believe. I think it could go to $2 to $5. But I want to give you guys some updates and some stories that I pulled up today. And kind of just walk through where my mind's at right now with this chain and what we're seeing with Crow, with Mary, with Ka, and this whole ecosystem. I pulled up an old tweet as well from Chris Marsliak back from 2021 talking about the Crow coin burn that they did back in the day. Yes, he has spoken out about burns in the past, and where is he at right now? Let's talk about this and more, guys, in this video. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in. I got to get into these charts for you because today, Bitcoin is doing pretty well. We had the CPI data come out today. It was within expectations. We were dipping earlier, but at the time of this recording, we're back up, guys. Bitcoin's up to 57,000, barely green for the day, only because we had a really tough morning. But we are up over the last 24 hours slightly, and some altcoins are up. Not like a tremendous amount of gainers today, which is fine. No surprises there. But how is Cronos doing overall? Guys, this is a rank 37 coin. When crypto explodes, if you don't think that the rank 37 coin is going to pop off as well, then you might be new to crypto, guys. Historically speaking, out of the top 100, like 80% of these things are going to rip roar. Most of them are going to achieve new all-time highs. Most of them. Not all of them, most of them. And I believe Cronos is going to be one of them because, again, a lot of people forget this. This is Cronos's first bull market that it's ever had in the history of its chain being around. And you don't have to take my word for it. Just please remember this, guys. The good old days. I tweeted this out earlier today. I retweeted a tweet from Chris Marsliak, the CEO of Crypto.com. And he does not talk about burns anymore. But back in February 22nd of 2021, which was a couple months before they launched the Cronos mainnet, okay, they did a $10 billion burn, I guess. US $10 billion in Crow, they burned ahead of the mainnet launch. That was incredible. That's the largest token burn in the history of cryptocurrency markets, at the time at least. I don't know if that still stands true today. The good old days. Is he still interested in burns? Or is that it? Did they kind of blow the stack, right? Is that it? Is that all they've got to burn? I think they could burn more if they wanted to, but at this point, obviously, they're not doing that. We've been talking about these quarterly burns for a while. My partner on this channel has been tweeting for now 75 days or so, 76 days or so about implementing quarterly burns like Binance did it in the early days. It seems like Binance isn't burning anymore, and Crypto.com certainly not burning really in any significant way aside from like that whole validator burn thing that they've got going on where they're burning like 100 million Crow or something every once in a while, I think it is. Which in the grand scheme of things isn't a lot. Maybe my numbers are off there, but they're burning a little bit. Nothing to really impact the price. Is Crypto.com set up for success, though? Well, I'll tell you this, guys. Right now, I'm really impressed with the performance on this Mystery Mary token. It does look like it's coming back up. It's the #1 ranked token in Cronos right now. A lot of people are excited about the Solana memes, and here we have Crow with Knife as well. Like, when Crow with Knife got an exchange listing, guys, it's still, like, this was the exchange listing. It's still up 200, 300% from that level. At one point, it was like 9x after listing. I think that can happen for the Mystery Mary token. If Mystery Mary token gets listed, then I think we can absolutely just like rip to Valhalla, like I was talking about in my stream yesterday. But I'm really impressed with this price action on Mary right now, holding up, which is super great. And I called this. I said, back at 10 cents, like this thing looks like it's prepared for blast off. And I even said the other day, this, if I go back over to my Twitter, I was talking a little bit about this and I said, list Mary and it shall 6x like a rocket to the moon. Now, I don't have any of the facts behind that, but if it does anything like Crow with Knife did, then it could absolutely, I think, 6x back to previous all-time highs and even go higher. And then I asked the question today, should I buy back into call? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of this video and go ahead and reply to my tweet. Should I buy some Crow with Knife token? Obviously, holding a lot of Mary right now, made a lot of great money in Crow with Knife, and I think it's going to come back up. But I'm curious if you guys think, if I should buy some more. Memes on Cronos. There's still some coins that are pumping up today. You know, there's a couple big gainers over the last 24 hours, which is awesome. We had a lot more pumpers yesterday. Kind of what goes up comes back down. These have high volatility, so please be careful with it. There are some scams in here, so please, you know, the higher the market cap, generally the safer the play, but that does not mean everything. You got to look at liquidity. You got to look at all these things. How do we get more liquidity in these tokens? How do we get more pumps in these tokens? Well, we need more progress from the Cronos exchange. Cronos had this tweet the other day. I want to share with you guys. This is a great piece of news. For those of you guys that don't know, CoinGecko, it's one of the top places to go track your crypto portfolio. In fact, when I look at my total number that I have invested in crypto, I use CoinGecko as my tracker for my portfolio. They're just as big as CoinMarketCap. Those are the two big places to kind of track the prices in crypto for retail traders out there. Cronos Chain came out with this announcement. Excited to expand our partnership with CoinGecko. CoinGecko will be offering exclusive grants and marketing exposure to Cronos developers that are leveraging CoinGecko's APIs. Very cool to see. Again, more exposure ahead for the Cronos chain. And I want to remind you guys, this tweet from Chris Marziak back in 2021, they didn't even launch the chain yet. The bull market ended in 2021, guys. The bull market ended in 2021, and the chain existed only at the very tail end, at the very peak of the bull market is when it launched. Hasn't had a bull market yet. So for all the naysayers out there, please remember, guys, total value locked up in crypto, still lackluster. We have not seen new highs for this yet. When we do, a lot of these chains are going to pop off. I'm bullish on Cronos. I'm bullish on Solana. I'm bullish on Stacks. I'm bullish on even Cardano, which has very, very low use case right now, just like Cronos. There's going to be a lot of chains that explode, guys. DeFi is real. It's awesome. It's spectacular. If you're not familiar with DeFi, you got to do some digging, guys. Learn about decentralized finance. Learn about taking your finances into your own hands, not just through centralized exchanges. Even though Crypto.com is a great exchange, you can do yourself something better. Use the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Use Phantom. Use Stacks and use the Stacks network. Use Xverse wallet on Bitcoin, right? Do your research. Figure it out, guys. Learn about DeFi because cheaper fees, less middlemen. You get to own your own finances and you're not putting yourself, no barrier between you and your transactions, right? No middlemen taking a cut. That's the beauty of DeFi, and it's going to be huge, guys. If you don't know that, then maybe you just haven't been paying attention. There's a lot of chains out here that are, Base Chain came out of nowhere, been an extremely successful chain. This one obviously had a lot of success because Coinbase is such a huge exchange. Why did it have such huge success? Because Coinbase is such a huge exchange. Crypto.com is also a huge exchange, has more trading volume than Base. If you don't think that Cronos is going to be successful because of the success of the Crypto.com exchange, again, I don't think you're paying attention. Now, what could happen to Cronos in this bull market, guys? I mean, a lot of great things, guys. A lot of great things. I'm looking for Bitcoin to break back up to $70,000 in the month of October, possibly in November. I think we're going to see a new all-time high before the end of November. Next week, I've got videos coming out about my official predictions for Bitcoin and some of the other coins like XRP out there and other coins that I want to keep you guys posted on. But this is the chart that matters, guys. CRO versus Bitcoin's probably already bottom. Unless Bitcoin has some crazy crash and altcoins slip further, I think Cronos has already had its low versus BTC. Again, this is the first bull market that the Cronos token and the Cronos chain have existed with the branding of Cronos. In any real significant way. We could see as much as 1,000% pump for CRO versus Bitcoin if it goes as well as it could. If it goes to kind of this trend line over here and we get lower highs, maybe a 400% gain for CRO versus Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's due to go to $200,000, that's roughly a 3x from here. 3 times 4 is 12. That's a 12x for CRO. From here, that's at least $1. I think that $1 is very, very achievable in this bull market, my friends. I think $2 to $5 is on the table. And I think anybody who says anything differently, like saying that $1 is not possible, those are the people that are probably panic selling. And they're probably selling low and buying high, to be honest with you guys. And I don't want you guys to be the people selling low and buying high. I want you to buy low. I want you to sell high. I want you to take profit along the way. I was able to successfully do that in CRO with Knife. Now, I might buy back into the CRO with Knife token before it gets another rally, and I think it will. But I want to know what you guys' thoughts are on that. Is Cronos dead chain? Is Cronos going to have a revival? Can we see that dollar CRO coin? Is $2 to $5 actually possible? Do you believe in my prediction? Do you think that that's something achievable? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I think it's going to be an epic move. Right now, we're seeing an epic way that Cronos is holding up versus its Bitcoin valuation, to be honest with you. Yeah, it could have been better, but I think it holding a line here is great. The memes are holding very well. I think it's epic. I think it's epic. I think it's exciting, and we still haven't seen that Total market cap. Again, total market cap is not taking a new high. So why should have Cronos? Why should have a lot of coins? Yes, Solana did it, but a lot of coins didn't. Chainlink didn't. A lot of the most popular coins out there didn't. Some outliers like Caspa did. Fine. Stacks did, but Stacks is really only a part of the conversation in this bull market for the first time. Very excited for this bull market, guys. Throw some comments in the chat down below. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCI HODL, do your own research, my friends, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.